What if you could learn data science, AI, cybersecurity, cloud computing, digital marketing, and even project management completely free? No fees, no catch. And yes, you get a certificate too. Welcome to OMNI Academy, Pakistan's leading IT training institute since 2010, part of MHSG Consulting Group, helping thousands build real-world skills and land jobs. Every month, OMNI Academy offers 50+ free workshops taught by industry experts covering everything from AI and cloud to cybersecurity, networking, and more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just starting out, there's something for you. Join online from anywhere in Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, or beyond. So don't wait. Register now at omniacademy.com and secure your spot today. OMNI Academy, your career transformation starts here, and it starts free.
Every day, billions of devices communicate across networks. From sending emails and browsing websites to streaming videos, online banking, cloud applications, and video conferencing, networking powers almost everything we do in our digital world. But have you ever stopped to think about how all of this actually works? How does your computer find a website anywhere in the world within seconds? How do companies connect thousands of employees across different offices? How does your smartphone instantly connect to cloud services and online applications? The answer lies in computer networking. If you've ever wanted to understand how modern networks operate, prepare for Cisco CCNA certification, or build a successful career in IT, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to our free Networking Fundamentals CCNA Starter Workshop. This workshop has been designed specifically for beginners. Whether you're a student, fresh graduate, IT support professional, or someone planning to switch careers into technology, we'll help you understand networking concepts in a simple, practical, and easy-to-follow way. You don't need any previous networking experience. We'll start from the basics and gradually build your understanding step by step. By the end of this session, you'll have a strong foundation that will help you confidently continue your learning journey toward professional networking certifications and real-world IT careers. Why learn networking? Every modern organization depends on reliable computer networks. Banks process millions of secure financial transactions every day. Hospitals connect medical devices, patient records, and healthcare systems. Universities provide online learning platforms and campus-wide internet connectivity. Software companies rely on networks for application development and collaboration. Telecommunication providers connect millions of customers around the world. Manufacturing industries automate production using connected machines. Government organizations protect sensitive information through secure enterprise networks. Without networking, none of these services would function efficiently. Networking is also the foundation of many of today's fastest-growing technologies, including cybersecurity, cloud computing, artificial intelligence infrastructure, data centers, DevOps, virtualization, Internet of Things, hybrid cloud environments. Before you specialize in any advanced technology, you first need to understand how devices communicate and how data moves across networks. That's exactly why networking remains one of the most valuable skills in the IT industry. What is CCNA? CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. It is one of the world's most respected entry-level networking certifications and is recognized by employers across multiple industries. Although the certification is developed by Cisco, the concepts you learn are universal. Whether an organization uses Cisco, Juniper, Huawei, MikroTik, HP, or cloud-based networking platforms, the fundamental principles remain the same. Learning CCNA helps you understand how devices communicate, how enterprise networks are designed, how data travels across different networks, how network traffic is managed, how secure communication is established, how to troubleshoot common networking problems. These practical skills are useful regardless of the technology platform you work with. Throughout this workshop, we'll we'll introduce the essential building blocks of networking. You'll learn what computer networks are and why they are important. We'll explore different types of networks, including local area networks, metropolitan area networks, wide area networks, wireless networks, and modern enterprise network environments. You'll understand the role of networking devices such as routers, switches, firewalls, wireless access points, and network controllers. We'll explain IP addressing in simple language, including IPv4 basics, subnet masks, default gateways, DNS, DHCP, and how devices locate each other across networks. You'll also gain an introduction to networking protocols and discover how computers exchange information accurately and securely. We'll discuss network topologies, basic troubleshooting concepts, and how organizations build scalable and reliable network infrastructures. Most importantly, we'll connect these concepts with real-world examples so that they become easy to understand and remember. Understanding computer networks. Before we dive deeper into Cisco CCNA, let's first understand what a computer network actually is. A computer network is simply a group of devices connected together so they can communicate and share information. These devices can include computers, laptops, mobile phones, printers, servers, security cameras, switches, routers, and even smart TVs. Imagine an office where every employee needs to access the same files, printers, internet connection, and business applications. Instead of working independently, networking allows every device to communicate efficiently and securely. Networking is what makes collaboration possible in today's digital world. How does data travel across a network? Now here's an interesting question. When you open a website, send a WhatsApp message, or watch a YouTube video, how does that information reach your device? The answer is through data packets. Instead of sending one huge file, computers divide information into thousands of smaller pieces called packets. Each packet contains information about where it came from and where it needs to go. Networking devices such as routers examine these packets and determine the best possible path to deliver them. Within milliseconds, these packets reach their destination and are reassembled into the web page, email, or video you're viewing. This entire process happens so quickly that we hardly notice it. Networking devices. A network cannot function without networking devices. Each device performs a unique role. A switch connects devices inside a local network. A router connects different networks together and decides where data should travel. A firewall protects networks from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Wireless access points provide Wi-Fi connectivity. Servers provide services such as websites, databases, email systems, and file sharing. During this workshop, you'll understand how all these devices work together to build a modern enterprise network. Understanding IP addresses. Every device connected to a network requires a unique identity. This identity is called an IP address. Think of it like your home address. Just as a courier needs your address to deliver a parcel, computers need IP addresses to send information to the correct destination. We'll explain the difference between public IP addresses and private IP addresses. You'll also learn what default gateway, DNS server, and subnet mask actually do. These terms may sound technical today, but by the end of this workshop, they'll become much easier to understand. MAC address versus IP address. Many beginners confuse MAC addresses and IP addresses. Although both identify devices, they serve different purposes. A MAC address is a permanent physical address assigned by the manufacturer to a network interface card. An IP address is a logical address assigned to a device so it can communicate across networks. Think of a MAC address as a person's fingerprint. while an IP address is like their current home address. Understanding this difference is essential before learning advanced networking concepts. The OSI model. One of the most important concepts in networking is the OSI model. Instead of treating communication as one large process, the OSI model divides it into 7 logical layers. Each layer performs a specific task. Some layers are responsible for transmitting data. Others ensure reliable communication. Some handle encryption, formatting, and application services. The OSI model helps networking professionals troubleshoot problems much faster because they can identify exactly which layer is causing the issue. Don't worry about memorizing all 7 layers today. We'll simply understand why this model is important. Real-world application. Networking skills are used in almost every industry. Businesses build secure office networks to connect employees and systems. Cloud providers operate massive global infrastructures, serving millions of users. Internet service providers connect homes and businesses to the internet every day. Banks protect financial transactions using secure networking technologies. Hospitals manage patient information and medical equipment through reliable network infrastructures. Retail companies connect multiple branches and warehouses through enterprise networks. Manufacturing organizations automate production lines using industrial networking solutions. Educational institutions deliver online classes and digital learning through campus-wide networks. Even smart homes, security cameras, streaming platforms, gaming consoles, and mobile applications rely on networking technologies every single day. Every connected device depends on networking. Career opportunities. Networking knowledge opens the door to a wide range of exciting IT careers. You could become a network support engineer, network administrator, IT support engineer, system administrator, technical support engineer, NOC engineer, infrastructure engineer, cloud support associate, cybersecurity analyst, network operations specialist, data center support engineer. With experience and additional certifications, you can continue your career toward advanced networking, cloud engineering, cybersecurity, DevOps, and infrastructure architecture. Networking is often the first step toward many high-demand technology careers. Why start with networking? Many professionals want to learn cybersecurity, cloud computing, or DevOps immediately. However, without understanding networking fundamentals, these advanced technologies can become much more difficult to understand. Networking teaches you how devices communicate. It helps you identify and troubleshoot problems more effectively. Security concepts become much easier because you understand how attackers and defenders interact with networks. Cloud computing becomes more practical because cloud services are built on networking principles. By learning networking first, you're creating a solid technical foundation that supports every future skill you develop. It's an investment that continues to benefit your entire IT career. Who should attend? This workshop is perfect for students interested in technology careers, fresh graduates looking to improve their employability, IT support professionals who want to strengthen their networking knowledge, help desk engineers, system administrators, career changers entering the IT industry, professionals planning to prepare for Cisco CCNA certification. Anyone curious about how the internet and enterprise networks actually work? No advanced technical knowledge is required. If you're willing to learn, you're ready to get started. What you'll gain. By participating in this workshop, you'll gain much more than theoretical knowledge. You'll build confidence in networking concepts. You'll understand industry standard terminology. You'll learn how enterprise networks are designed and maintained. You'll discover the different career opportunities available after mastering networking fundamentals. You'll understand the next steps towards Cisco CCNA certification and advanced networking studies. Most importantly, you'll leave with a clear roadmap that helps you continue learning with confidence and direction. Networking is one of the most valuable and future-proof skills in today's technology industry. Every website you visit, every cloud application you use, every online meeting you attend, and every secure digital transaction depends on well-designed and reliable computer networks. Whether your long-term goal is networking, cybersecurity, cloud computing, DevOps, or IT infrastructure, your journey begins with understanding the fundamentals. We hope this workshop has inspired you to take that first step toward building a successful IT career. If you'd like to continue your learning, OMNI Academy offers comprehensive CCNA training designed to help you move from beginner to job ready with hands-on labs, practical exercises, expert guidance, and industry-focused learning. As a special thank you for attending this free workshop, you'll receive an exclusive 20% discount on our complete CCNA training program. This offer is valid for the next 7 days, so don't miss the opportunity to continue your learning at a reduced fee. We've covered the fundamentals of networking, explored how devices communicate, understood the role of routers, switches, IP addressing, networking protocols, and learned why CCNA is one of the most valuable certifications for anyone starting an IT career. Remember, every website you visit, every cloud application you use, every online meeting you attend, and every secure transaction you make depends on reliable computer networks. Networking is the foundation of cybersecurity, cloud computing, DevOps, system administration, and many other high-demand technology fields. This workshop is just the beginning of your learning journey. If you're serious about building a career in networking and preparing for the Cisco CCNA certification, the next step is to gain practical, hands-on experience through structured training. Our complete CCNA certification program includes instructor-led sessions, real-world networking labs, Cisco packet tracer practice, configuration of routers and switches, troubleshooting techniques, exam preparation, and career guidance to help you become job ready. As a special thank you for attending this free workshop, we're offering an exclusive 20% discount on our complete CCNA certification training program. This special offer is valid for the next 7 days only, so now is the perfect time to continue your learning and save on your enrollment. In addition to the discount, you'll gain access to practical lab exercises, study materials, recorded sessions where available, expert instructor support, and a learning path designed to help you confidently prepare for the Cisco CCNA certification and real-world networking roles. Visit our website to learn more about upcoming batches and course details. You can also join our WhatsApp community to receive updates about free workshops, professional certifications, internships, and IT career opportunities. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this workshop has given you a strong foundation and inspired you to take the next step toward a successful career in networking. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we look forward to welcoming you to our complete CCNA certification program. See you in the next session.